Hello lovely people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are hooking up our draw paper crochet babies, frocks, designs, ideas. Get ready to create a sweet and delicate garments for your little ones. Hope so you like this video and hope so you like all the ideas, all the designs. So please watch this video till the end without skip. I will upload many different type of videos on my YouTube channel, so please visit my YouTube channel and watch my more different ideas about crochet work, knitting work, handmade embroidery, handmade different accessories. So please visit my YouTube channel and watch my more different ideas. Keep watching my more different ideas till end and keep praying for me. May Allah will live long, stay happy and stay blessed for me. If you want more information about crochet work and knitting work, so please visit my channel and watch my more different ideas. In this video, we will be making a stylish crochet baby frocks designs ideas. These are perfect for different occasion and different seasons. This frock is sure to impress. First, let's start with the foundation chain. Next, we will add the pattern and texture. To shape the sleeves and armhole, we will use technique. Add embellishments like button, applique work, beads, birds, stones, crochet work, flowers, and different ribbon, laces, patches, and many different accessories you use and decor your baby's frocks easily. Experiment with different yarn, color, and textures, and different crochet hook and yarn. Please choose the baby's frock yarn softest and comfortable. Try using different stitches, pattern or baby frock styles. These are easy to knit at home and comfortable for baby's girls. And that's it, your crochet baby frock is complete and ready to wear and ready to gifting. If you want to gift, you decor your baby's gift frock easily with the help of different accessories. Thanks for stitching along with me today. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to let my daily routine videos that I upload daily for you. See you in the next video. Hope so you like this video and hope so you like all the ideas, all the beautiful design. Keep watching my more different ideas till end and keep praying for me. May Allah will live long, stay happy and stay blessed for me. Keep watching my more different ideas till end and do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to let my daily routine videos that I have uploaded daily for you. Okay viewers, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.